Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Minecraft version and making a quick world backup. This prevents accidental loss when you change files. Next, open Options and go to Video Settings. GUI Scale alters overall HUD text size. Accessibility has chat and narrator text options. If you want granular control beyond those sliders, install Optifine or a Fabric mod. These let you adjust font rendering or per element sizes. Once done, note current settings so you can revert if needed. Now you'll create or modify a resource pack to change in-game fonts. Put your custom font files under assets/Minecraft/font and update fonts. JSON to reference them. This controls which true type file Minecraft uses and lets you swap styles. For per element changes, edit McMeta entries or include bitmap font glyphs. That changes how characters scale. After saving, go in-game, apply the resource pack, and reload, then test menus, chat, and tooltips to verify the visible sizes, match your goal. Finish by fine-tuning with Optifine or your chosen client mod for precise GUI text scaling and smoothing. These let you balance readability versus screen space. If text appears clipped or overlaps, lower GUI scale, adjust font padding and fonts. JSON or resize the TTF. Should something break, revert using your backup and reapply changes incrementally to isolate the issue. Finally, check the game log for missing glyph errors and replace any unsupported characters so the font renders cleanly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.